Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a brand new 2025 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. You'll see in the photos the boat has the light blue hull sides, actually it's a full hull color, white rub rail with the stainless steel insert, comes standard with the 60 horsepower 4-stroke, a lot of cockpit space here behind the helm seat, single 12-gallon fuel tank under the helm seat. You have a 4-position multi-use backrest. You use it as a forward-facing seat, aft-facing seat, or set it up as a leaning post. Here at the helm, we've got the 7-inch Simrad GPS fish finder. Got your tack with digital gauge in there. USB on top of the console. Your port for your anchor light. 2 cup holders. Nice low-profile console height, so easy visibility whether you're sitting or standing. This comes with the black bimini top. Forward of the console, you have the bow cushion, trolling motor panel, and underneath the bow cushion is our designated anchor storage. That's a real quick look at our 2025 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. Give us a call at 910-256-8100.